Windows 11 printer connection issues can be easily resolved, so if you're having problems with it such as this error message, make sure to keep watching. Now start by restarting your printer. Just press the power button, unplug the power cable for at least 20 seconds, check for any damaged cables, and ensure everything is secure. Next, open the Group Policy Editor by searching for it. Go to Computer Configuration, select Administrative Templates, choose Printers, and then disable this option. Now apply changes and restart your PC. You can also fix the problem by updating your printer's driver in Device Manager. Just open Device Manager, right-click your printer under Printer Queue, then select Update Driver. Now after updating it, restart your PC. Lastly, run the printer troubleshooter in Settings, click System, go to Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters, click Run next to the printer option, and the troubleshooter will recommend fixes. So that's how you can fix this error message in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.